Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about doing a crossword puzzle because maybe you've never done one before. Maybe you're like, oh, Miss Russell, I've done that already. But I just wanted to show everybody how to do a crossword puzzle and to show you we are only doing the words that go across the page today. Tomorrow you will do the words that go down the page. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple for you. I won't do it tomorrow, but I'm going to do a couple for you just to show you how to get started. Bigger. There we go. Alright, so my first clue, these are your clues over here, say, what is the blank of 53 and 64? So I like to go to the actual number 1 on my board, and it's going to be the ones going across like this, so I know it's only 3 letters. So I'm going to go down here and look at my 3-letter words, and there's not many. I've got red, 2, and some. Okay, so what is the red of 53 and 64? No, that doesn't make sense. What is the 2 of? No. You would think it would be a number, but it's not. What is the sum of 53 and 64? So the word sum here is when you're adding and you want to know the answer. So that one makes sense. So I'm going to mark that out, and then I'm going to go into my puzzle right up here, and I'm going to write my clue, sum. All right, and then mark off, I did number 1. Okay, let's do one more. He put a white canvas blank on the boat to make it go. This is clue number 4, so it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. There's a lot of 4-letter words. He put a white canvas blank on the boat to make it go. Well, I know when you put something on the boat to make it go, it could be a motor. It could be like a sailboat. And that might make sense because it's white, it's canvas. Canvas is a material, so maybe it's a white canvas sail. Let's see. Ooh, it could be. Look, I've got 2 different sails on here. So if you didn't know what sail, which way to spell it, you could use a dictionary. You could look up both of these and see what made more sense for a sailboat. Okay, but I know it's this one right here. Oh, go back. Back. Okay, it's this one right here. So I'm going to mark that one off. And I'm going to come up here for number 4 and write sail. Now, if it's hard to write in this, you could type it. I'm okay with you typing in over the crossword puzzle too. All right, so that's your job for today, and I finished number 4, so I'll mark it off. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more to do on your own. I gave you 2 of your answers for today, so you better not get those wrong, or I'll know you didn't watch this video. So I hope that helps you on how to fill out a crossword puzzle. Tomorrow we'll do all the boxes going down.